You undoubtedly want to launch a channel, but you also want it to be successful. You may increase the revenue from the ads that appear in your videos by determining the markets that pay the highest rates. You can just talk about them in certain videos and earn more money for that than you would by dedicating a complete channel to that topic. Here, I'll go through all you need to know about it. The top YouTube niches with high CPM, if you want to make more money per 1,000 views. If you want to know how, watch now and don't skip. Stay, so you won't miss any important details. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you want to know how to make money on YouTube. Number 5, Personal Finance. Planning and controlling personal financial activities, including income creation, spending, saving, investing, and protection, fall under the category of personal finance. A budget or financial plan can serve as an overview of the process of managing one's own finances. This subject is covered in class and is significant for everyone. The majority of individuals look for these types of videos to educate themselves on personal finance. Money management isn't always enjoyable, especially when your friends push you to go out on the weekends or the newest technological advancement you've been watching becomes available. Spending money can be incredibly tempting and can result in making unwise financial decisions. There are numerous ways to manage your finances responsibly while still partaking in life's simple pleasures. The personal finance and investing specialty on YouTube has more than tripled globally in only 3 years. Banks, financial institutions, and licensed financial advisors have a lot of opportunities to capture market share as a result of this growing interest. But when we look at the biggest YouTube channels, we find that most of them are run by individual creators who receive millions of views and engagements. If you want to start making a lot of money, this niche is ideal. Number 4, Content creation. Most people produce content for their own videos and on their own terms. However, if you upload stuff that is educational and well-researched, it will be better. The process of creating content is one of coming up with ideas that attract your target audience, developing written or visual material around those concepts, and then making that content available to your community as a website, film, animation, or other content form. The most effective inbound marketing strategy is content production. When you produce content, you engage your audience in meaningful ways that draw new visitors to your website, give them free and helpful information, and keep them coming back. There are many different content producers. They are the ones who write blogs, make popular TikToks, make YouTube videos, and give a peek into their daily lives. These content producers are skilled at creating a personal online presence and disseminating it to a global audience. The CPM in this niche is also very high. Before we move on, I just wanted to thank these people for subscribing me. Thank you a lot. I always do random shoutouts for my subscribers. If you want to have a chance to be included in my future videos, don't forget to subscribe. Number 3, Print on demand and drop shipping. When you create white label products, such as baseball caps or tote bags, and offer those on a per-order basis with your own branding and using your own designs, you are operating a print-on-demand business. There is no need to purchase in large quantities or keep any inventory on hand because you don't pay for the product until after you've actually sold it. Additionally, your supplier takes care of everything after the sale with print-on-demand services, including digital printing, order fulfillment, and shipping. After you've put everything up, fulfilling an order after a sale is merely a matter of a few clicks. A wonderful approach to making extra money is through printing on demand, not the main profit. That is my individual viewpoint. It would be a huge benefit when establishing your firm if you had some free time and experience in graphic design. Additionally, in order to boost sales, you need to advertise your clothing or other online store on social media, such as Twitter, Instagram, Meta, and others. You can try this topic if you want to increase the earnings from your YouTube video material. Number 2, investing and trading. Trading is the process of purchasing and selling financial instruments with the goal of making money. These instruments include a range of resources that have been given a fluctuating financial value, so you can speculate on which way they will go. It's possible that you've heard of stocks, shares, and funds. However, there are a huge number of financial marketplaces where you can trade, as well as a wide range of trading items. Investing entails placing your cash into something with the potential to grow in value over time, giving you a return on your investment. Usually, it gives you a financial interest in the business or other asset you invest in. Traders and investors are popular right now, and this type of content spreads quickly online. To achieve a higher CPM, you can choose this kind of content. Number 1. Affiliate marketing. An affiliate can make money by promoting the goods of another individual or business by using affiliate marketing. The affiliate merely looks for an item they are interested in, promotes it, and receives a cut of the revenue from each transaction. The use of affiliate marketing can significantly increase online earnings and increase sales. You've probably encountered an affiliate marketing company if you've ever purchased something online based on an influencer's recommendation. The affiliate marketing sector is expanding. The most guaranteed avenue for making money from YouTube adverts is affiliate marketing. It has also been observed that a channel with a modest profile might make money in this niche. If you want to get started on YouTube, this niche might be perfect for you. All of these niches have CPMs ranging from $10 to $150. It depends on many factors. Why is CPM so different between videos? When you upload videos to YouTube, advertisers can use such videos to display their adverts. Each time someone views or clicks on an advertisement, the advertiser is required to pay a set fee. The level of competition that also wants to display their advertising on their films affects how much they pay. To get their advertising to appear, they must compete with one another and offer the highest price, much like in an auction. The cost of displaying the advertisement increases with the level of competition. The more money you make as the video's creator, the more expensive it is to display the advertisement. Therefore, you must produce videos that focus on a term with intense advertising competition. Due to increased competition among businesses to attract this type of audience, the niches outlined in this video are profitable. These businesses have budgets in the billions, and they use those funds to spend on attracting key clients. So why not take a chance and make some good money with it? If you found this video helpful, and if you really want to grow your channel and make money with it, make sure to subscribe, leave a like and comment down below if you have any questions or ideas for future videos. Soon I will post new videos that will show you the best ways to monetize and grow your YouTube channel. So stay in touch and I'll see you in the next video.